Very nice day na po. Happy Thursday. Happy Huwebes sa tanan. Wow, what you make? Oh, that's a fish? Yeah. Fish na una siya panghulma. May pineapple na hulma. Nangawala ang daghan kaya na sila panghulma. Uy. Mga langgam. Ulipay kay mga langgam. Nindot kayo itong adlaw. Hopefully early ang spring. Hopefully. Lahat na ang tamag. Snow again. It's windy, oy. Yeah. What? Yeah. I think it's gone now. Yeah, that's a magnet dinosaur thing.
No, we need to fix that.
Yes, but I'm playing his
House to play.
laps.
It's only house to play.
Very happy kayong mga ibon. Mga langgamers. The birds is chirping very happy. Kuan lang oy kanang windy. Super windy. Dito. Giayos sa siguro nilang tubod. Tubod.
I know.
Woohoo! Yeah, now that's a mommy chicken. That's nice. The rooster only the one who's not being very nice. What you got there, Matthias? You got truck in here. Ezekiel, you bring the dino. What's that tiger truck? Put na ko dari ang ilang table. Oh, grabe kayo sa itong kuwan. Ay, hopefully there is like this in Philippines too. The sunshine. Because it's very floody in there. Amping sa tanan. Take care. All the people in Philippines, especially sa naay flood. And also in California. We have a very bad flood. Take care everyone. Stay safe. What you do, Matthias? What's in there? Let me see.
I'm red.
There is a sand. Woohoo! Ang hangin. Super kusog. Suking hangin. Grabe. Strong wind. What happened?
That guy too slow.
Yay! The bubbles were just everywhere because it's windy, man. Oi! Ah, good job! See, Matthias, without blowing, huh? It already blew, Matthias, because there's a wind coming. Woohoo. Hey, Ezekiel, go right over here so there's a lot of bubbles. That is good. It's annoying you? Reklamador ka na siya, bisag asa. No, go blow right there. Shoot in the air. In the air is nice, so the bubbles will be... There, look at brother.
I wanna do it.
Go do it.
Yeah.
Okay, do it. Yay! Ellie, it's okay.
I made you.
Sige na. Oh! Doon lagi magmadi. Even bubbles ba? Bungkulors. That nice, Matthias? You could pick other. Napod siya inanik kayo. So, gatag sa masilingan.
I want this.
Napod siya bot sa nai. Ala.
I wanna make a plane. The plane.
The brain?
I
so
don't
nice, yeah.
like brain.
Brain bubbles!
You make
Everywhere
a
naman yun.
brain.
Kalat-kalat na. Wow! Brain bubbles! Wow, that's big! Oy! Everywhere.
Attack out. Oh.
Grabe ka niya ba? That nice? And it's sunny in here, huh?
I can't tell. Why do you put north down?
That one, I don't know how to use that.
No. watching.
Oh, that's big. Here. Look at that. There's wind.
All the people. More these.
Go more. Tanas palang gana kay. Nana man oh. Bubble.
Wait for the wind. Wait for the wind.
Wait for the wind and wait for the wind. Blow. Oh, it just blew by itself. The wind. The wind. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's big, Nak.
I make a
Look,
brain
it's so big.
I need a brain bubble. I need a brain bubble. I don't get any bubble.
Hey, it's Matthias' turn. Remember that his bubble gun, Grandma gave it to him on his birthday. Come on. Ezekiel, it's your brother's turn. Matthias, it's your turn. Matthias, look. To get it. Matthias, he's giving it to you.
No, I want to pop.
Oh, okay. He's the one who's popping. You're the one who make the balloons. Good job, Matthias. Kasi Matthias know that his brother enjoying. Whoa! What?
I'm making it up. I need it up.
You need it up. Look, this one is gonna be big. Up.
I can.
Ano nag-ayon sa sa tubig na baha. Huh? I could make bubbles. You want me to?
Yeah.
Here you go. Reklamador ka ng isa ay. Here, Ezekiel's turn. Yay! More. Yeah. Oh, look. Big. Ah, poppin'. Oi. Oi. Look at that. Balloon. Look at that. Matthias, look. It's big. It's just going everywhere. Look, Matthias. Whoa. Do you see that? Ezekiel, look. It's up there. Whoa. Matthias don't see it.
I want it.
Just everywhere, oh. Woohoo! Na, mommy is enjoying manoon. Not the kids. Here, your turn, Ezekiel. Yeah, you want to try it? Here. Ezekiel will try it. No, be careful, Matthias. It could fall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good job. Look. Bubbles everywhere. I know, I see it. We'll get more. Good, look at Matthias. It's bubble everywhere because the wind takes them. Good job, Ezekiel. We'll get more bubble. Tingnan this tiny. Kaan. Would you ayo? Allah! You shoot Matthias with bubbles!
I'm making a brain bubble.
Okay, he's making a brain bubble. Sa putong ka nila. Where's Eloise? Wow, she really likes those big slides, Jess. Very strong wind, oy. Oh, very sunny. Here we sa waterfall park. A little bit of heart attack. And why she go man on that one? There is but small. Yep, mommy need to be in the chair. Just be lazy. Go there, nako. Nice slide. Whee! Crazy Kid here. Hi, Matthias. Yo, mommy, go that one. Be careful. Hold on. Hold. Hold. Whoopsie. Whoop. Ah. Oi. Oi. Look at you guys. What? Oh. What? You can't? Oi! Oi! He's being silly. Whippy-doo! Whoopie-doo! Whoopie-doo! Oh no! No! Woohoo! You're kicking Auntie! That's funny. Very mean. Whoop! Look at this stray. Oh. Hey, Auntie is funny. Poor Auntie. Auntie is very beat up. Uh-oh! What happened to Mommy, Luis? Now she's not that happy. It's like, oh, what happened to my mommy? I see it. Woohoo! Into the moon! Into the moon! Whoop! Ay, that's funny. This is bringing excavator to. This excavator din. Front of our house.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.